Good morning students, 11th standard physics. So in this class we are going to see about some rules of rounding off. So round off means, so a round off up to 2 digits or 3 digits. So first one, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5 or smaller than 5, so the preceding digit left unchanged. So for example, if you see the example you can understand more clear. So the digit to be dropped, if it is less than 5, so see the digit to be dropped, I am going to round off up to 2 significant figures. The digit to be less than 5, that is dropped 2, so 2 is less than 5, just the preceding digit. So preceding digit is here 3, so preceding digit is unchanged. So I am going to round off to 2 significant figures, that is 7.32 is round off to 2 significant figures. Now it have 3 significant figures, so the number, the digit dropped is smaller than 5, the preceding digit is unchanged. The next, if the digit dropped is greater than 5, the preceding digit is increased by 5. For example 7.26, so I am going to drop the 6, so I am going to drop 6, the 6 is greater than 5, so the preceding digit is increased by 1. So 17.26 is round up to 17.3. So the number is, the digit is dropped. The dropped number is going to check, is it less than 5 or greater than 5. If it is less than 5, the preceding digit is left unchanged. If it is greater than 5, the preceding digit is increased by 1. So 17.26 is round off to 17.3. The next, then the number is 5 followed by the digit other than 0. So we are going to drop the digit, the digit is 5 are followed by the digit other than 0. So the number after that 5, there shouldn't be 0. So the preceding digit is raised by 1. So for example 18.159, so the 5 came. So the 5 followed by the digit, so 5 followed by it's 9, it's not 0, so the preceding digit is increased by 1, that is raised by 1. So we are going to drop, so I am going to drop 5, so the preceding digit is other than 0, so that is after that, after 5 is other than 0, so the preceding digit is increased by 1. So I am going to drop 5 in this number 18.159, so that 5, the preceding number is 1, so the 1 is increased by again 1, so that is 18.2. Then 7.352, so that 5, so I am going to drop 5, so the preceding digit is increased by 1, so 7.352 is round off to 7.4. The next, the preceding digit is not changed if it is even. So even means 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. If it is even, so that 5, so I am going to drop 5. After that, the preceding number, the preceding means that the number before, so that preceding number before 5 is 4, the 4 is even, so it's left unchanged, so I am going to drop 5, so I am checking the preceding number is even or odd, so even means the number is left unchanged, that is 3.4. So again I am going to drop 5, so the preceding number is even, so it's left unchanged, it's 8.2. Then, so I am going to drop 5, I am checking the preceding number is even or odd, so it is odd, so odd means it's 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So the preceding number is odd, so the preceding number is increased by 1. If it is, I am going to drop 5 in this number, so I am checking the preceding number is even or odd. Even means it's left unchanged. If it is odd, the preceding number is increased by 1. So 3.35 is increased by, that is round off by 3.4. Then 8.350, so I am going to drop 5, the preceding number is odd, so 8.4. So some more examples. So using these 5 rules, so I can do that 5 problems. So 18.35 is round off to 3 digits. So round off to 3 digits, 3 significant figures. So again see, I am going to round off, that I am going to leave 5. So I am check that preceding digit. So that is even or odd, it is add. So 18.4, then 19.45. So I am going to drop 5. So I am check the preceding digit is even, so that is left unchanged. So again it is significant to 3 significant figures. So round off to 3 significant figures. Then 101.55 into 10 power 6. So 10 power 6, leave it. Then I am going to round off to 4 significant figures. So in the question itself they have given round off to 4 significant figures. So the number of significant figures, that is number of meaningful numbers, should be 4. So 101.55. So I need 4 significant figures. So I need to drop that 5. So I need to check. So the preceding number, so even or odd. So if it is 5, it simply increase it by 1. So 101.6. So this is 5. So it's even or odd. So it's even or odd. That is add. So 5. So add means the preceding number is increased by 1. Then 248337. So it is significant to 3. So I need 3 significant figures from this number. So I need 3 only. So remaining numbers should be not significant. So just we put it as 0. 248000. That's all. They may ask in 1 marks as well as in 3 marks. So what are the rules for rounding off? Then they may give some numbers. So you need to do you need to solve up to significant figures. Then 12.653. So I need 3 significant figures. So round off to 3 significant figures. 12.65. So 12.6 is enough. So I need to round off. So I need to leave that 5. So I need to check the preceding number is even or odd. If it is even or odd, if it is even, that is 65. So it's 12 point even, it's unchanged, 12.653. So 3 digits. So 12.653, it's 12.7. So 5, the preceding digit, are 3. So 3 is leaved. So I need to check that 3. So it is less than 5. So it's less than 5. Then you need to check the preceding number. So preceding number are 5 or 5. So we can use this 5. So 5 means the preceding number is increased by 1. So that is 12.7. So in this class we have discussed rules for rounding off, then some more examples. So case